Hey guys, what's going on? Just here to tell you a little bit about a snack that my husband and I picked up yesterday. We went grocery shopping at Trader Joe's, but don't worry, this product you could get online and in other places if you don't have a Trader Joe's by you, so not to worry. I know not everyone has one close to the house. So these are Trader Joe's pumpkin tortilla chips, crafted with simple ingredients including pumpkin puree, pumpkin seeds, cinnamon, and nutmeg. So if you love tortilla chips and you like a little bit of like the cool like different pumpkin spice for the fall, I think you'll definitely like these. And I'm really not one of those people that likes pumpkin spice everything. I like it in like certain desserts and coffee usually for the most part, so I was a little hesitant and reluctant on trying these, but they're so good. They are gluten-free. They are 7 ounces. And this is what the chips look like inside the bag. So let's turn this over and I'll show you guys. So little message on the back says we're out of our gourd with excitement. We're ready to squash any sentiment to the contrary. Trader Joe's pumpkin tortilla chips stand alone as the permutation of that kernely preferred plant pumpkin. Okay, so it's like a little tongue twister there with all the keywords. Made with real pumpkin puree and pumpkin seeds. Corn tortilla chips are crunchy and sturdy, ready to meet any salsa or even a yogurt-based dip. They're sweet with a kick of cinnamon and nutmeg to amplify their prodigious pumpkin profile. If autumn had a signature tortilla chip, Trader Joe's pumpkin tortilla chip would certainly be the one, which I definitely agree to that. There's the barcode on the back. Store in a cool, dry place. I'm going to go over here to the nutrition facts. Serving size is 8 chips. Servings per container, there's about 7. 140 calories and 70 calories from fat. Total fat is 8 grams. Saturated fat is 1 gram. Trans fat 0 gram. Polyunsaturated fat 4.5 grams. Monounsaturated fat 1.5 grams. 0 milligrams of cholesterol. 150 milligrams of sodium. 75 milligrams of potassium. 16 grams total carbohydrate. Dietary fiber 2 grams, sugar 0 grams, and protein 2 grams. And we go down to the bottom here, 4% vitamin A, 0 vitamin C, 0 calcium, 4% iron. And then we have the ingredients, which of course is very important. Corn flour, vegetable oil, sunflower oil, safflower oil, corn oil, pumpkin puree, pumpkin seed, degerminated cornmeal, salt, cinnamon, and nutmeg. Distributed and sold exclusively by Trader Joe's in Monrovia, California, and they are gluten-free. We got the pretty pumpkin on the bottom. I like how the bag is like the fall colors, the orange, the yellow, the brown, all warm colors. I'm going to take some of the chips out to show you guys. Sorry, a lot of these are broken because they're like in the bottom of the bag. That's thanks to my husband crushing the entire bag basically last night because he's like so obsessed with these. He loves fall stuff more than I do, which is kind of funny. I'm just crunching on it now. Delicious, crunchy flavor. A little sweet in the aftertaste. So initially you get some of the salt, and then after you get like that hint of nutmeg and cinnamon, and it's so delicious. And I'm going to show you guys over here. This is a salsa that you could buy to go with it, which I'm going to do another video on. This is fall harvest salsa. And this was they had a display in the store with these two next to it. And we were like, oh wow, that sounds pretty interesting. Pumpkin tortilla chips with fall harvest salsa next to it. I mean, what better way to celebrate the season rather than some pumpkin spice snacks. So these are absolutely delicious. And I could see these going well with like anything, like it says on the back, really any kind of yogurt dips, different salsas. Like really the possibilities are very endless on what you could do with these, and they're just so delicious. I could see even like a sweet dip would go good with this because it has like the cinnamon and nutmeg flavor, and maybe the sweetness of the dip would offset some of the saltiness. I think that would be really yummy. And I think that this just goes perfectly with the fall harvest salsa. So if you guys are online and you like a little bit of like a pumpkin spice, something different for fall, I definitely suggest purchasing these two together. They just go hand in hand so nicely, and Trader Joe's really did a great job at creating these and putting these two flavors together. So I hope you guys try it, and I hope you love it. Thanks for watching.